Hello, I'm Roggen 12 from Big Dog Tech, and today I'm going to be showing you how to set up your iCloud on your iOS device and your MacBook Pro. So first you want to go into settings, where your system preferences is, and under Internet and Wireless, you're going to want to open iCloud. If you do not have an Apple ID, which is your iTunes account, you're going to want to create an Apple ID. I already have one, so I will be logging into mine. Once it signs in, it will ask you if you want to use Find My Mac and iCloud. This is for locating your Mac. If you have a desktop, it doesn't really matter unless you use it to travel a lot. But if you take a laptop and back and forth to places, I really recommend it, because if you lose it, misplace it or something, you can find it, you can lock it, send it messages, everything. So you hit next, and then you want to hit allow. In here, you're going to want to choose whatever you want. This syncs your emails, your contacts, your calendars and reminders, your notes. This synchronizes your bookmarks. I don't use it because I don't really use bookmarks. Your photo stream, so when you take a picture, it's going to automatically sync it. Your documents and data, which is really good for your pages, keynote, and numbers, which is really what it's made for. But you can go to iCloud.com to use it for more. And Find My Mac. And Back to My Mac is a backup program. So after that, you're going to want to open up your cell phone or iOS device. You want to go into settings, and then you're going to want to go down to iCloud. If you skip the step of setting it up, you're going to come into here and it's going to ask you to log in. You're going to use the same ID that you used to log into iCloud on your computer. So you're going to sync everything that you want to sync to your phone. I don't want Passbook because I haven't figured out how to use it yet. It kind of seems pointless to me, but I'm not going into that right now. And Find My iPhone, which is the same as Find My Mac. It locates your iPhone, your iPad, or iPod. So if you lose it, you can lock it and everything else. And sync everything else that you want. And you can also, if you're using an Android device, you can sync your mail, contacts, and calendars. Like if you want to actually, not an Android device, but you can do this. On an Android, you can get your calendars from Gmail and things, because most Androids are supported by Google. But you can go into here, and if you use Gmail or Yahoo or anything, you can sync your mail, calendars, and notes with that only for that account. So each of these emails that you have creates a different iCloud account type thing. So I'm going to show you how to use iCloud on the internet. So you want to open up your internet browser and go to iCloud.com. Take a second to load. It's going to load and look like this. You're going to want to log in with the same account that you have used on both of your devices. In here, you can access your notes, your calendars, your contacts, your mail, your reminders, Find My iPhone, and iWork. I'm going to feature how to use Find My iPhone and iWork. So if you want to find your iPhone or your Mac, you go into here, the same place. So it's going to locate. Might take a bit, especially if you have a lot more devices. I think I have 5 devices on here. So let's say I want to locate. It glitched out and it has found 2 of my computers for some reason, even though I only have 1. So this one is my MacBook Pro. So if I want to play a sound, as you can see, it sent me an alert. You can notify it when it is found, for when that is off. Also, on my iPhone, which I shall show you with reflection, let me move this right here. Oh, it likes to be in the center, huh? Okay. I will show you it on here. So I'm going to play a sound on it. to take a second. Then my phone's going to come up and it's going to play. Here. So you're just going to slide to unlock and it's going to shut off and it's going to say that. So that is how you set up iCloud on your macOS and iOS devices and how to use iCloud.com. Oh, one more thing, iWork. You're going to want to go into your iWork. I use this for school a lot. If you have Pages and Keynote on your phone, this helps out a lot. And you can do it with Microsoft Word documents too, just by dragging it over. So as you can see, I have all my Keynote and Pages documents in here. And these are all from my school. And I can work on them on my computer and on my iPhone, and they stay synced together, which is really nice. And you can also use Numbers, which I do not currently use right now. But you can also use Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, and Excel, and you just take the document and you drag it. I shall demonstrate. Documents, school. I'm going to take this outline from page Numbers, and you just drag it, and drop it in, and it's going to process. It's going to complete. So I shall show you one. Let's say I want to take my essay from my National Junior Honor Society. I'm going to drag it in, and it's going to upload. It's going to be complete, and then I'm going to go onto my phone, and I'm going to go into Pages, and I go into my Documents. Going to take a second to sync, but as you can see, my National Junior Honor Society essay, which I just added right here, is now on my phone. And I can open it. I can open a copy or open it straight from file. I open it straight from the file, that way it updates it on the server when you save. And it's going to load my essay. And then when you're done with it, it's going to upload it back to iCloud, and then you can come here and you can download it. And you can download it as Pages, PDF, and Word. So that is it. I'm Roggen12, and thank you for watching.